When you see flagged transactions in the platform, it means that certain entries need more information or supporting documents. This feature is designed to prompt you to review and take necessary actions to address any issues or concerns raised by your account manager or accountant. The use of this feature can help you ensure that your financial records in the platform are complete and accurate. To view flagged transactions, click on the Open Items button on the top menu. In Docket, flagged transactions are represented by an orange question mark icon. Resolving these transactions only takes a few minutes and ensures the accuracy of your financial records. Here's what you need to know about flagged transactions in Docket. Flagged transactions require additional information or documentation. They serve as alerts for you to review and address any issues raised by your account manager. Common examples of flagged transactions include expenses, income, bank transfers, payroll charges, loans, and equity, liability, asset transactions. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.